Welcome to Mama Tries. So today we have been working, and since last night we've been working on this dollhouse, on finishing up the exterior. So let me show you guys what's happening. We put wooden dowels and a piece of wood and extended the bottom. What Danny did is he drilled a hole through both of these and then drove a screw through them. Same thing in the bottom, and attached all the pieces together. So that way it's one whole piece. He made this little chair. I made the table and the lounger. And then we made these really cute little planters. Now we just used glue, sand, and then we also stuck these guys in. This is actually kind of like a moss. Things that you would make like topiaries with. And so we used that for the grass. And we left this area clean because then we can, you can put a mat there or whatever. But the dolls walk in. Now we're waiting for the hot glue gun so we can glue down the fences. And then we will pretty much be completed as far as the front of the house. We will just have left is the bathroom and the kitchen. But we haven't purchased those things yet, so we can put them in. But when we do, we'll pop them in and do a full-blown reveal of this house. And we will finally be done. And we'll be posting it up for sale once we've done. So we can take some pictures when it's all done. As you can see right here, the second dollhouse, the Halloween dollhouse. And I've already started doing some things. I've made a bed, I've made some curtains, pillows, and all these different things. And I will be posting videos on that series very soon when we start working on this house. It's going to be completely different. I'm kind of going for like this modern Victorian kind of feel, sort of. Like my whole story for that one is this witch or spiritualist that has been living for thousands of years or hundreds of years, whatever. She has her house both with the old and the new. So there's a lot of Victorian era stuff, a lot of things prior to that, as well as some modern things as well, modern conveniences. So that's this. And I will be posting videos on that very soon. I'm going to see if maybe I do it for the month of October. So that way, that gets done. Anyway, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Play it as, do everything and play it as we go along. Shush, babe. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome one. Sorry this one was so short, but please like this video, share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos and new series. So I'll see you guys.